Let me take a quick guess. You have been using that lightening lotion that you are using now for weeks, and instead of your skin to be getting lighter or brighter, your skin is looking duller, your skin is looking darker, and even patchy. Well, my sister, you are not alone. It has happened to me several times, and this same thing happens to thousands of African ladies all across the globe. And the thing is, sometimes it is not your product fault. In today's video, I am going to be revealing the real reasons why your skin keeps getting darker even while you are using your lightening lotion or your brightening lotion. And most people have no idea about my point number 3. So you need to stick to the end of this video and watch it to the end, because I'm also going to be telling you how to fix this problem. After watching this video, your body lotion is going to start working for you and giving you the exact result that you want it to give you. So my point number 1, this my point number 1 is supposed to be my last point, but I brought it to the front because I want to let you know how important this particular one reason is. Because if you're not ready to do this, that's your hyperpigmentation is going to stay with you. Your skin is going to be going up and down in complexion. So you are dark today, you are fair tomorrow. And that reason is sun protection. Take this from an expert, from someone who has gone through the ups and downs in skin complexion. If you are not protecting yourself from the sun, you are going to keep having hyperpigmentation. Now, a lot of people think because their products have kojic acid, have alpha arbutin, have glutathione, have all of those lightening or brightening skin ingredients, that their skin is automatically going to be fair, their skin is automatically going to be bright. You need sun protection. Your kojic acid, your alpha arbutin, your glutathione, all those things, because they are brightening your skin, because they are helping you to block, melanin production and all of this, does not mean they are sun protection. Once you hit the sun, even if you are inside your house, or let's say you are in an office, or you stay in your shop, and the sun rays has access to your skin, the sun rays penetrates through the window. Do you understand? So make sure it's either you are always wearing your sunscreen, you are always wearing covered clothes, or you stay mostly indoors when the sun is very, very hot. If you are going to go out, you go out with your umbrella, or just find measures to protect your skin from the sun. This is the most important. Like, this is supposed to be the last thing I'm supposed to tell you. But if you know you're not ready to do this particular one, just forget the remaining points that I have for you in this video, because this is a game changer. Now, what happens is, if you use your products that have kojic acid, alpha arbutin, or glutathione, once the sun rays begins to touch your skin starts to oxidize. That is, it begins to produce melanin. Immediately your skin hits the sun, no matter what you applied, once it is not a sunscreen or a product that has sunscreen, okay, your skin begins to oxidize, begins to produce melanin, and you are going to get darker. So this particular point is super important. So my point number 1 is sun protection. So if you're a student, if you're someone that sells something in the market, if you're always doing children runs and all of those things, try to protect your skin from the sun. Wear big clothes, wear abaya, all of those things. Cover yourself. Okay, don't wear something like this and enter the sun, because if by the time you do it 1, 2, 3, okay, you are going to get darker. These things don't happen overnight. You're just going to wake up one day, your skin complexion has turned. It is not usually an overnight thing. This is a result of so many days or so many weeks of you exposing yourself to the sun, and then you wake up one day, your skin is looking darker, or it's not even improving at all. So this is the number 1 reason why your skin keeps getting darker even while you are using your lightening product or your brightening product. Now, my point number 2, the reason why your skin keeps getting darker is you are overexfoliating your skin, or you are using too many products. You are mixing too many products at a time. This particular one ruins a lot of people's skin. Now, what do I mean? Let's take, for example, you have a lightening cream. Your soap is lightening. Your body scrub is lightening. Your body oil is lightening. Let's say you have a body serum, it is lightening. You are using 5 lightening products on your skin just in the bid to lighten your skin. Now, look at the trick. What happens here? When you use this type of combination, immediately you start it, you are going to notice that your skin is going to brighten up and you are going to feel on top of the world. You're going to feel like, wow, these products are working. These products are working, but they are destroying your skin barrier. And once that happens, you are going to start getting darker. Now, this is why a lot of people, like I have heard this countless times, I started using this product, my skin was good, my skin started brightening, my skin started lightening. All of a sudden, it stopped working. All of a sudden, I started getting darker. I started having red patches. This is the reason. Now, I had a client who said someone prescribed for her. In the morning, she would use vitamin C. At night, she would use retinol. Every single day, her body wash was a bleaching shower gel. Her oil was lightening. Every single thing, she was scrubbing her skin. At first, it was good, but later on, her skin started having red patches, green veins all over. Her skin barrier was destroyed. Now, this is what causes it. You are using too many products on your skin. Remember, at the end of the video, I am going to tell you how to fix all these things. So watch to the end, okay? You do not need 10 products on your skin. All you need is balance. You need to balance your skin care. 1 exfoliating product, 1 brightening cream or 1 lightening cream depending on your complexion, 1 moisturizer and a sunscreen, and that is enough for you. You don't need to use kojic acid in everything you are using. You don't need to use glutathione in everything you are using. You don't need to use alpha arbutin in everything you are using. Now, reason number 3, this one now might shock you. It's popular, but a lot of people don't reason it. Most of the products you are using, they are fake. They are either fake or they are oxidized. Now, a lot of people do not know that a lot of products in the market are fake products, especially when a product comes out and it begins to trend. Like it begins to trend, people are buying it and buying it and buying it. The possibility that if you go to market, you are going to buy fake, at that point that product is trending, is very high. Now, the funny thing is, this thing does not just apply to only maybe lightening creams or brightening creams. This applies to every type of product and every form of product, both facial products and body products. Do you understand? I knew this when I started buying skincare products very well. I started to look at what I'm buying exactly. You are going to notice differences either in the bottles or in the texture of the products you are buying. Now, most products, when they come out, the worst of them all is lightening products. Immediately lightening products come out and they begin to trend, the fake is everywhere in the market. And that fake, the problem with the fake is that it is now mixed. It's either it is a diluted version of the original one. They are going to buy the original one, dilute it, and then add steroids in it. So you are going to use it and you are going to get the same lightening effect, but that you are now going to get skin reactions. That is why sometimes a lightening product is going to come out. Some people are going to use it and say, oh, it lightened their skin without reaction. And a bunch of other people are going to use the same product and they are going to get stretch marks, green veins, red patches on their body and all of those things. Most of the reasons that these things happen is that people buy fake products without knowing. Even some vendors that you trust buy fake products, like what they have is fake, but them, they believe is original. So you can never really know. All you need to do is to be careful whom you buy from. If you can buy directly from the website of the brand, better. Or you look very well, you look for videos that have reviewed that product, okay, and make sure you are getting the original. I have a video on my channel of how to know original Dove products. Like, this was a shocker to me that even Dove has fake. And now what happens is, normally Dove products do not darken the skin, but if you buy the fake, if you start using it, your skin will start getting darker. Dove is a very good product that moisturizes, hydrates, and maintains your complexion for you. But if you buy the fake, you are not going to believe the results you get. So for the lightening lotion, if you get the fake, it is going to lighten you and then destroy your skin. For moisturizers, instead of them to maintain your original skin complexion, they are going to make you dark. So most moisturizers you buy and you say, oh, it's making me dark, and you have seen a lot of people hyping that same moisturizer, it is possible that you got the fake moisturizer. So this is the third reason why your skin keeps getting darker while you are using your lightening product and your brightening product. You are ignoring internal skincare. Yes, you heard me. The glowing of your skin, the complexion of your skin, the texture of your skin do not come from your skincare products alone. If you are not eating collagen building foods, if you are not eating things that are rich in vitamin C, if you are not eating things that are rich in amino acids, things that are rich in necessary nutrients and vitamins, drinking enough water, having enough rest, having peace of mind, no matter what you use on your skin, you can get lighter, but you are not going to get that your perfect skin. Put me anywhere. So I need you to know this. What you eat can help your skincare products to work faster. I've seen a lot of people that say, oh, my skin is hard, I have tough skin, products don't work on my face. And to be honest, I have been close to these people and I see what they eat, I see their diet. Your diet determines how your skincare products are going to work for you. If you eat fruits, if you drink water, if you eat vegetables a lot, you are going to find out that your skincare products are going to drop, because over time you are going to see that you do not need as much skincare products again, because your skin is glowing, your skin is shining, your skin is radiant, your complexion is popping. For a lot of people, they do not know where it is. Some people say, oh, I have natural skin, my skin is fine naturally. Your skin is not fine naturally. In your family, you people eat good food. Some families eat good food. And when you go to such families, you are going to notice that they have beautiful skin. It is not magic. It is not a trick. It is what you eat. What you eat determines how your skin is going to be. Now, when you now join it with good skincare, you are going to have the best skin ever. You are using two strong skincare ingredients without breaks. Now, a lot of people use lightening lotions year in, year out. Brightening soaps, brightening this, brightening oil, brightening that one, year in, year out. Hydroquinone, tretinoin, kojic acid, glutathione, alpha arbutin, that one, this one, gluta-white. You use these things month in, month out. Now, this is what happens. When you use these things consistently for months, they give you the results you want. But over time, your skin is going to get tired. And then your skin is going to quit on you. You are going to start having knuckles. You are going to start having dark parts on your body. And you are going to start experiencing uneven skin too, because your skin is full of those active acids. Remember that these things are acids. These things are chemicals. In as much as they are derived from natural fruits, okay, but they have been processed, things have been added into these things, they have been condensed. So putting these things on your skin, not that they are bad to use, but do not use them for a long period of time. Use these things 1 month, take 1 month break, start again. I have been teaching this thing on my channel for 1 whole year now, and unless you are new to my channel, this might be the first time you are hearing it. But if you are my subscriber and you watch most of my videos, you know that I always preach this thing. If you are using a lightening soap, a lightening lotion, don't use it every day, number one, and don't use it month in, month out. You can choose to use it 2 months, take 1 month break, and start again. If you do these things like this, your skin will have time to take breaks, will have time to keep accommodating these acids on them. If not, your skin is going to get tired, And over time, as your age even progresses, your skin is just going to I wanted to speak this in Igbo. Your skin will guy you. Like your skin will get tired and it will just, I'm looking for the English word. Your skin will just shrink, like it will just fall. If that's the closest word, your skin will fall. You'll notice that your skin will start looking flabby. I think that's the right English word. Your skin will start looking flabby because you have fed it with so much chemicals, so much acids over the years. Now, here is what you should do. If you want your lightening products, your lightening routine, or your brightening products, or your brightening routine to work for you. Number one, always wear sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen on the exposed parts of your body. If you wear a polo, apply sunscreen on the rest of your hands. If you wear a skirt, apply sunscreen on the rest of your legs, your chest area, your back area. Make sure you have sunscreen on the exposed parts of your body. Number two, simplify your skincare routine. You don't need 10 products, you don't need 15 products, you don't need lotion, serum, oils, blah, blah, blah. Just make your skincare routine balanced. Balance your skincare routine and your skin is going to give you what you want. Now, balance it and use it consistently. Some people form a good skincare routine, but they do not have the patience to see it through. Good skin does not come overnight. You wake up and see the result overnight, but that result you saw overnight, it takes time to build up. So, balance your skincare routine and be consistent with it, and you're going to see a good result on your skin. Step number three, repair your skin barrier with gentle moisturizers and good vitamin C body serums. Okay, yes, if you know your skin barrier has been broken, if you are dark now, if you used to be fair, if you are using a lotion that was making you to be fair and now you are dark, it is possible that your skin barrier has been broken. So you need to get a good moisturizer to start repairing your skin barrier. Okay, now step number four, eat collagen rich foods, eat vitamin C rich foods, eat foods that are nutrient dense, foods that are going to nourish your skin and give your skin what it needs, because what you eat actually matters. Step number five, be consistent with your routine. I have already said this, but be consistent with your routine. You do not need to bleach your skin to get a very beautiful skin. You do not need to use 3 lightening products to get a lighter skin. You just need to be consistent with good products. You are going to see the results you are looking for. If this video helps you to understand the reason why your skin keeps getting darker while you are using your lightening products or your brightening products, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video to someone that this video might help, and also subscribe to the channel, because I am going to be sharing best product combinations that will lighten your skin effectively, brighten your skin effectively without damaging your skin. And also turn on the bell notification after subscribing. Remember, your glow up journey just started and I got you covered.